Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw after transferring from Robinhood to Fidelity, complete guide step by step clearly. To withdraw funds after transferring from Robinhood to Fidelity, begin by logging into your Fidelity account. On the top menu, locate and click on the Accounts and Trade tab. From the drop-down menu, select Transfers. Next, look for the option that says Transfer from another firm. Follow the prompts to initiate the transfer process. You will need to provide information about your Robinhood account. Enter your Robinhood account number and the amount you wish to transfer. Once you've filled in the required details, review your request. Confirm that everything is accurate before submitting. After your transfer is processed, log back into your Fidelity account. Navigate to the Account Summary section. Check that your transferred assets reflect in your Fidelity account. Once confirmed, look for the Withdraw option on the dashboard. Click on Withdraw to start the withdrawal process. Choose the account you want to withdraw from. Next, select the method for your withdrawal, such as bank transfer. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw. Verify the details to ensure everything is correct. Follow the prompts to finalize your withdrawal request. After submitting, you will receive a confirmation message. Monitor your bank account for the funds to arrive. Remember, it may take several business days for the transfer to complete. If you face any issues during this process, reach out to Fidelity's customer service for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.